Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to remove an app from folder on Android in a quick and simple way. This will help you keep your home screen clean and organized. Now let's get started. Step 1. First tap on the folder on your home screen that contains the app you want to remove. This folder can be a system folder or one you created yourself. Opening the folder is important because it lets you see all the apps stored inside it. Step 2. Once the folder is open, touch and hold the app icon you want to remove and keep holding it until the icon becomes movable. This long press activates edit mode, allowing you to move the app freely. Step 3. While still holding the app icon, drag it out of the folder toward an empty area of the home screen. This action removes the app from the folder without uninstalling it from your phone. Step 4. Release the app icon on an empty space on the home screen and the app will now appear as a standalone icon. You can open it directly from the home screen anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful tutorials.